Hello viewers, Seonseyo So here from Sangsilbu News with the latest on the Indo-Pakistan situation as of May 8th, 2025. Stay tuned for updates. This is Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan. Air raids have been reported in Islamabad, and sirens are ringing throughout the city. It has been confirmed that Indian military facilities were bombed in Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan. Currently, air raid warnings have been issued in Islamabad, and the Indian military's air attacks are continuing. This is Rawalpindi, the capital city of Pakistan. The Indian military is known to have used at least 20 Samya drones in a large-scale attack on Pakistan. Due to the air raid on Rawalpindi, civilian buildings have been damaged. This is Lahore, Pakistan. The Pakistani military is launching a large-scale airstrike to intercept the drones sent by the Indian military. The Pakistani military reports intercepting 25 Indian drones, but India persists in sending drones and attacking Pakistan. The Pakistani Air Force remains on high alert. This is the Lahore region. According to military sources, Indian drones are attacking Pakistani military bases in the area where the air raid alert was issued, with the Indian military claiming to have launched 12 attacks in this operation. In Lahore, Indian drones attacked a Pakistani military base, causing a massive explosion and destroying several buildings. The Indian government declared that Lahore, Pakistan's second largest city, has had its air defense system neutralized. Rajnath Singh, India's defense minister, stated that Sindh's recent offensive is ongoing and cautioned about potential further attacks on Pakistan. The Pakistani Ministry of Information reported conducting airstrikes that destroyed Indian military sites near the border. The United Nations raised concerns over rising India-Pakistan tensions, stressing the need for dialogue and diplomacy to resolve the issue. China claims no knowledge of its military's involvement in the India-Pakistan conflict. The United States ambassador to Pakistan denounced the violence in Lahore and advised Americans in the region to stay away from the city temporarily. Once more details on the India-Pakistan conflict arrive, we'll organize and upload them. For citizens in the India-Pakistan disputed area, check Ministry of Foreign Affairs announcements and prepare emergency supplies. That's all for the video. Thank you.